Well, hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Gavotte from Mignon from Suzuki Viola book number 2, tutorial and playthrough. If you want to playthrough, use the chapters below and skip ahead tutorial. Ooh, this song, super infectious, super catchy, some trickiness, but totally worth it. Alright, so let's get to the theme. Listen to this. Super catchy, right? What's difficult about it is we need to know when to do bow circles and when we have some optional bow circles. So, the required bow circles, okay, so get this. Measures 4, 8, 12, 16, 31, 35, 50, 54, 58, 63, 65. So after the first quarter note, write an apostrophe in the air. That's your bow circles, okay? Those are pretty much required in my mind. The optional bow circles are measures 2, 10, 29, 48, and 56. Let's talk about those. Anytime we have the theme in these sections, we have optional bow circles. Well, let's see. I like to stay. Then do the bow circle. So that's up to you. If you want to do a bow circle, you can do this. Okay, so you're gonna do a little circle there. I feel like there's so many circles here, why bother? Like, just enjoy the stay. You can do the 16th notes with the elbow. And then you'll have plenty of opportunities for bow circles later. Next thing, accidentals. Oh, we've got some tricky accidentals. I'm gonna give you the measures. Measures 21 all the way up to 26, 27. Alright, mark those accidentals in, do arrows, whatever you need to do, just mark them down. The second section is gonna be 35 all the way up to 46. Again, mark those accidentals in, just get the notes right, it'll make life a lot easier. When we have 35, okay, this is especially tricky, and this is what it sounds like. So it's a tricky section. If we practiced our perpetual motion 2.0, we would know that we can use the E flat major fingering. So we'd have low 1 on the D, low 2, regular 3, low 4 on both D and A, and this section will start to make sense. Alright, so let's get that practiced, okay? Next, GP. Alright, so in measure 61 we have this GP there. What is that? Grand pause. Now, there's some disagreement as to what grand pause means. Some people think that it's like a fermata and it means like you can rest as long as you want. I don't think so. In my mind, grand pause means that it's silent, but you do count out those rests exactly. So for measure 58, I'll show you what I like. So here it is. One, two. Okay, so you have to really count those. I feel like it keeps your audience involved, and yeah, the integrity of the piece keeps going forward. Last thing, we have these awesome pizzicatos at the end. These stacks of notes, triple stop, quad stop, with the squiggle line. I don't know if you see the squiggle lines. Those mean to strum the notes. So we can do. Ooh, fun, right? Hot tip about that is I like to draw little circles like that. You see I'm going out and back around, out and back around. I'm kind of pulling back. So I kind of create a circle here. And I feel like that helps spread out the notes. You can do straight down and straight down. That's fine. If you need some help and it's kind of like sounding uneven, like that, then do this, draw a circle. It kind of forces you to paste them and space those notes out better. Okay, time for the playthrough. Our marking is allegretto, a little bit slower than allegro. So maybe 1 and 2 and 1 and. How'd you do? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next piece. Bye.